Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we break down car maintenance in simple terms. Today, we're tackling the symptoms of a leaking oil pan gasket, especially with the latest 2025 models in mind. If you're a car owner, knowing this could save you from a major headache and costly repairs. So, let's dive right in. First things first, what's an oil pan gasket? It's a crucial seal that sits between the oil pan and the engine block, preventing oil from leaking out. In 2025 vehicles, these gaskets are designed to be more durable, but they can still fail due to wear and tear or poor maintenance. The most common symptom is oil leaks. You'll notice dark, oily spots or puddles under your car, especially after it's been parked for a while. This is often the first red flag. Next, keep an eye on your oil levels. If they're dropping faster than expected, a leaking gasket might be the culprit, potentially leading to engine damage if not addressed. Another sign is engine overheating. Without the right amount of oil circulating, your engine can run hotter than normal, which might trigger your dashboard warnings. Speaking of which, if you see the oil pressure light flickering or staying on, that's a serious indicator to pull over and check things out. You might also hear unusual noises, like knocking or ticking from the engine, due to low oil pressure. And don't ignore that burning oil smell. It's a sign that oil is dripping onto hot engine parts, which could be dangerous. In summary, spotting these symptoms early can prevent bigger issues. If you notice any of these in your 2025 ride, head to a mechanic right away for an inspection. Regular oil changes and checks are your best defense. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and let us know in the comments if you've dealt with this before.